Welcome to my unboxing video of the Dell Chromebook. Let's see how this goes. Alright. Yeah, this is all this stuff. It's fun. I like the amount of tags they have on it. It's awesome. Got that Dell logo. Alright. Let's see this. Alright, nice packaging. Out. Alright, well, let's see what we got in here. We got the charger. Well, this part of the charger, anyways. Alright, let's see. This is taking a while. Oh, nice. Alright, oh, nice. Wow, this is actually pretty small of a charger. Alright. Now, for the laptop itself, let's go ahead and put all this stuff back. Yeah, boss. Alright, let's take it out of this thing. Computer, there we go. Sorry. Dang. Alright. Let's try it. Alright. So this is the Dell Chromebook. Yes, I do. This is for my school and it has the Scholar Plus stuff on it. Do not like the Wi-Fi by that company. Alright, as you can tell, oops, sorry. As you can tell, the power port, HDMI to, and these are both USB 3.0 ports instead of the old Samsung 1 3.0, 2 2.0 ports. And then it's got the headphone jack. And on the right side, it has this like lock thing that you'd use at like Six Flags. And then it's got SD slide. Look at this. Ready? Click out. So amazing. So amazing. It's even got the Dell sign on it. Dell. Alright, let's put that back in. Oh. There we go. Here's the back of it. Let's get a good look. Alright, so here are the little rubber things, top and bottom right here. And then it's got, I think that's a ventilation system. No, that's a ventilation system. Here's I think these are the two speakers right here. And then it's got the Pasadena High School District, and then some serial numbers. And then the warranty expiration date. Alright. Well, yeah, see. And you can see. Let's turn on some light. Let's see if it's on too. Oh my god! Alright. As you can tell, got that Dell Chromebook 11. And all this blurry stuff you can't see. Sexiness. But you see all these different little things. Alright, let's flip it around. Oh. Whoop. High School District. Alright. Ooh, I did not notice that. That is a barcode. Alright. So the plus is actually a barcode. Nice. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. One hand, like a boss. Alright. It automatically turned on by itself. Alright, let's do this. Black. And see, instead of the Samsung, it actually goes all the way back. Look at that thing. Still has the... You can't even see it. Alright. But you can see my iPod. So yeah, it has a little webcam right there. The Dell logo. And then the keyboard. Let's see if I can get this. Yeah. Like a boss. Yeah, the changes from the Samsung to the Dell are basically on the keyboard. These look better. Those are two little brightness down. See? Down. And brightness up. Brightness up. Too bright. And then these didn't really change too much, but yeah. These are awesome. These two things. Then the little notepad. And it has Intel dual core. Of course. Now let's sign in. The screen. It's so sexy. Let's see how. Oh my god, that's awesome. Alright, let's type it in. You can't. Shh. Don't look at my keyboard. Don't. Alright. I got the default. Here's all the stuff. Freaking Google. And all that. Got that stuff. Got some device managed by. Alright. Yes, I have a Vulcan shirt on. I can't zoom in, but yeah. Sexiness. Alright. Alright. Let's see this. Yes, I have not used this yet. I've been waiting to make this video. Slide. Slide. Yeah, I like the generic 2. Alright. Let's see how fast this goes compared to the Samsung Chromebook. Ready? And did I click it? Apparently I did not click it. Click it! There's no Wi-Fi on. Let me go type in the PS code. Yeah, I got that. Alright. Stop looking. That's a long password. Let's see if it goes on. Oh, Google. Oh my gosh, my face is in the camera. Nope. Too tall be in this. Alright. But yeah, this is it. Let me go ahead and see. Okay, I'm gonna turn this thing off. Boom. Alright. Let's go ahead and close this down. This is so sexy. So much sexiness. Yeah, unlike the Samsung Chromebook, I'm pretty sure this is better. Way better. And the building of it is a lot better. They got the Dell. Alright. Ooh, it's 665 watt. Not that much, but yeah. Alright, let's take this stupid thing off, man. It's so slippery. Funny thing is, this is actually my first unboxing. Woot. YouTube capture app. Like a bath. That is my older brother. Alright. Wow. That is super clean. Super clean. I don't want to sing. I sound right now, I'm pretty sure. Put a comment in the video saying if I'm annoying or not. And say why. Because I keep using this voice. Here's the other parts. cable. At least this one's